are we going right now?
Yeah, we're going to Roswell today.
Okay. That's a good area.
Yeah, these clients, Jake and Ashley, lived here in Atlanta, moved to Kansas for work, and now they have an opportunity to move back. They have a new baby, not even a year old. Oh, and they come with 3 dogs.
Wait, 3 dogs and a new baby?
Yep.
And moving?
Yeah.
That's a lot.
I believe that Egypt is gonna find us the perfect place.
Yeah.
And that Mike is gonna make it exactly what we want it, but I think they might have their work cut out for them, especially in this market. I'm hoping that Egypt will find us the perfect house in the perfect location. Must-haves, I would say, would be functionality, natural light. It absolutely has to have a yard for our dogs. And for our son, but we really are trying to prioritize location over everything.
Yeah, I would agree.
The reason that we love Roswell is because there's so much community.
They organize a lot of events, but it's also right next to the Chattahoochee River, and there's parks and trail systems for running, hiking, and mountain biking.
So what's their budget?
All-in budget of $700, but for the right property, I think they could probably squeeze to $710, $715. Anything within their budget, we know we're gonna renovate. So this is the area that they really ideally would wanna be in. And the house I'm gonna show them is not even 8 minutes away.
There's a red door, questionable choice.
Hi, guys.
Hello.
So Jake, Ashley, this is my husband, Mike.
How's it going, Jake?
Nice to meet you.
Ashley?
Hi.
Well, come on, take a look at the house.
I think the outside looks nice. The door is fun.
Red.
Yeah.
What I love so far is that the stucco is in great condition and your roof is in good condition. So you haven't spent any money out here yet.
Oh, big fan.
Right?
Love that.
Are we ready to see the inside? And I'll give you the lay of the land.
I think so.
Come on. So they're asking $615.
Okay.
It's just under 3,500 square feet.
Okay.
4 bedrooms, 3 baths. It does have a basement.
Okay.
So there's a world of possibilities with that. We enter the foyer into the living room. On the right is the main bedroom with an ensuite bath. Then on this side of the house, a formal dining room, kitchen, bedroom with bathroom, and laundry.
Okay.
Upstairs, there's 2 additional bedrooms and 1 bathroom. And this is the living room.
Okay.
Split level. Whoa.
Sorry.
Okay.
This just seems like such a hazard for
Yeah.
anybody coming to visit.
Yeah, that's pretty
Yeah.
high.
Mike, what do you think we could do about, if you just boxed it to here, straight across, and then leveled the floor there, so you don't have this arched step down?
That shouldn't be a problem.
There's things that can be done so you don't break your neck.
Yeah.
Stepping off of there.
I appreciate it.
But as far as the size of this living space, what do you think?
I like how high the ceilings are, and you've got some of the light coming down from up there, which is nice.
Do you like this fireplace?
I like that it is a fireplace.
But I mean, the
I
tile.
love the idea of a fireplace. I don't know if this tile is like our style.
So there are a lot of ways we can address that. Owner suite, you first.
Okay. Wow. I mean, this is nice. This is really big. I love the windows.
But you really do get a private view. You could virtually have no shades on the window
Yeah.
and
Yeah,
really
this is
enjoy
really-
all the foliage,
Yeah.
which is what you
Beautiful
loved about
trees.
Atlanta and
Yeah.
being back here.
Yeah.
And then you go around the corner, you have a closet, and you also have the bathroom there.
Okay. Well, stained glass.
I'm sure it's nice. But I don't know if it's our style.
I like the how the wood tone of the cabinets and the floors match.
Yes.
That's a choice.
You see her face though, right? She's being really nice right now.
Wait, she says. No, but this helps because, you know, some people would have just attacked the kitchen right away,
Yeah.
but you have a very gentle way of saying, I don't like it.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
I think the layout, it feels tight.
It feels
Yeah.
tight.
And dark
Yeah.
in here.
I
to
think
me.
what's making it feel tight is this world of walls.
Yeah.
This for me is a nuisance. I would want this gone. All of this area here, walls, gone.
Wide
so
open.
pretty much wide open to where
Yeah.
it doesn't feel so cumbersome.
And I really love that.
This is one of the main challenges. The 4th bedroom is actually in the kitchen,
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
and it has the bathroom in it as well. There is no common area powder room. So if you're entertaining, people literally have to go into one of the bedrooms to use the
yeah.
bathroom. So that's a big problem for this house.
That's weird. This is really nice though. It's like very open.
I have so many ideas for,
Always.
for this house.
It's okay.
What do you have against me and my ideas? Hey, how's it going up there?
I really like it up here. There's so much natural light coming.
And the rooms are a nice size. Have you seen those yet?
Yeah,
Yeah, they're great.
they're big.
They're asking $615. Mike, doing everything we talked about, the kitchen, dining room, the living room, and powder room, and all that. Now that would be,
You're looking at 100K.
that would put you right at $715.
After 4 weeks, we have our permits and demo is underway. Because right behind this wall is the bathroom. Yeah, baby.
Now that we started working on opening the wall in Jake and Ashley's house, it's time to go over our finishes for the new powder room and kitchen. Okay, guys, so took your notes. Know that you love things to feel nice and airy, but still warm.
Yeah.
With a touch of luxe. And so my inspiration for your home is gonna be organic, modern luxe.
Oh, I like that.
Do we like that?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna give you the visual, then we're gonna go through the touch and feel.
Okay.
And I'm just not gonna sit here and babysit this all day. Did I show you my thoughts for your bathroom? Here we are. Now, the backsplash is what I wanted to talk about. I could just paint the walls, but I want to always, if I find other ways to save money, figure out how I can elevate your house.
Yeah.
And so with that said, we actually have these, which I thought were really cool.
Yes.
One has a high gloss, one's more satin finish, more like a flat. What do you think?
I think that this is more of like a statement.
Yeah.
Okay, this one's easy. To start, we're going to move your laundry area to make way for the new powder room. We'll use this black picket tile to make a luxe statement on the backsplash, then echo back to that organic vibe with a custom wood finish vanity. Do we like it?
Yeah, I like that a lot.
So we're winning.
Yay.
Let's move on to kitchen.
Okay.
Okay, we might have to have a tug of war on this.
Oh, no.
Well, only because I know you wanted a white kitchen. I'm afraid that you want that, but when you see it and it sews together with the rest of the house, it's gonna feel sterile and boring. So just indulge me for a minute.
Okay.
Let me see if I can change your mind.
Okay.
So, not gray, not taupe,
Yeah.
not white. It's called Collingswood, and this will give you the feeling of having a light, bright white kitchen without it being sterile white.
Yeah, I really like it.
Big fan.
So you've already chosen this white countertop with the gray veining.
Yeah.
So boom. And then mixing metals to me is a must.
Okay.
If you allow me to pull in some of the satin brass on the cabinets, give you black above in your light fixtures.
Okay.
Then you're getting your black, but we're not falling flat. Does that look like a kitchen you'd cook in?
Oh, yeah.
We'll take it.
And would
Yes.
love it.
Yeah.
Okay. So for your kitchen design, we'll build a new island, then we'll pull up seating. Next, we'll install new shaker cabinets in that Collingswood color, and then finish with satin brass hardware on our cabinets. A little black hardware detail on our lights above, and voila. Do we feel good?
I
think
feel
so.
really good.
Okay, fantastic. So next thing you do is relax, relate, release, and let us do what we do best. Fair? Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Knock, knock.
Oh, hey.
Hi, honey. Oh, you got this in already. What a difference this makes.
I know, right? Oh, boy.
Now you don't have to worry about tripping right off the edge. Progress.
Yeah,
I
how's it
love to
feel?
see it.
We're in full swing in Ashley and Jake's house. We're starting on the skylight, the fireplace is getting prepped for the new facade, and the guys and I are about to dry fit a 1,000-pound beam between their kitchen and what was their formal dining room so we can make the house more open concept. All right, so the guys are outside, getting the beam off the truck. Progress is happening, baby. I'm so excited. Our beam is going in. Game on, let's do it.
Nice piece of metal.
Guess what? Everybody took their vitamins, right? Let's rock.
1, 2, 3, lift.
Okay.
I know you ain't complaining about no back already.
Oh, don't even go there. Watch that. Slow up, guys.
Slow down, slow down. I have 8 guys work on this thing and 1 9th guy, Jack.
Jack?
That was our lift. Release the cranking. This thing weighs at least 1,000 pounds.
That sounds like a you problem.
You know what? It's a us problem because your design required this beam, okay?
I know, I appreciate it, thank you.
Uno más.
We're moving fast and furious to get this house done in time. The kitchen cabinets are getting installed and painted, the right color, by the way, Collingswood. And I'm out here building cabinets to create a custom built-in entertainment system. Where's Jamila?
Jamila is on her honeymoon somewhere in the middle of Spain.
All right, you think they're gonna love this as much as we do?
I mean, of course I want to say yes. I want to say yes because we put our heart and soul into every house we do. And I love the new floor plan.
I do too.
I hope they love it.
They will.
Hi.
Hi.
What's up, guys? How are
Hey,
you all?
how are y'all?
How you feeling?
Well.
Ready? Are you
I am
ready?
so ready.
Biceps got bigger.
Hey, a little bit.
So if you remember, you had the red door. Having the French door gives a grand, elegant feel as well. So was this a good move?
1,000%.
I love it.
I love the color.
Fantastic.
It's not red.
You ready?
Let's do it.
All right, here we go.
Moment of truth. Come on into your house.
This is beautiful.
It's so beautiful.
Yeah.
It's so like open and
Yeah.
bright.
I can't believe what used to be here and what is now here. It's incredible. It looks like the neighbors' houses that we're jealous of. And I genuinely mean that.
It's immaculate. This like entryway.
Notice you don't fall right here.
Oh my gosh, I
yeah,
know.
Right. Oh, look at
Yes.
I know.
By boxing off this step down, we made it less of a hazard for your family and guests. This was the biggest functional change, truly.
Yes.
Making sure it was safe.
Yes, I love it. And I love the fireplace. Like before, it was like that kind of weird tile. Oh my goodness. Oh.
That's cast stone, by the way, so it adds that elegance. Okay, you're warming your buttocks.
Well,
by
that's
the
what
fire.
it's for.
All right, everybody.
on, Mike.
Everybody get in.
Here you go.
It works. It works.
Check out your kitchen.
Oh my gosh! It's so bright and beautiful and open. There's like 1,000 more drawers than there were before.
I love the hardware.
Oh my
Which-
gosh, I do too.
You wanted white cabinets at first. I kind of talked you out of them. What do you think about the Collingswood color?
I love this, and it goes so well with the hardware.
If you remember where you're standing, Ash, that's where the kitchen ended before.
Yeah.
So you now gain more than double the kitchen space and triple the storage.
Right.
love that.
Skylight.
And here, oh, we have the skylight.
Yes, you do.
Natural light flowing
awesome.
in. Yeah.
It's beautiful.
This was another one that almost didn't happen because of the structure above.
Yeah.
But we made it work.
You got a little dirty.
I
Climbed
like
the
that.
crawl space,
little.
Figured it out.
I saw where you pointed. That's another cool feature.
I was gonna say.
You got your dog station here.
I never thought we wanted a pot
But
filler.
wait,
now
there's
we want
more.
a pot filler.
Oh,
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Our son is going through a dog food eating phase right now. So this is nice that we could hide the dog food from him.
That's what you do.
More to see.
Let's see it.
Check out your new office.
It'll work.
Oh my gosh. I love it. It's so different. This was just a wall before.
We didn't want to get rid of the bedroom that was here, but we still wanted to make the home office.
Yeah.
If we got rid of the room, you also could lose some comparability.
Yeah. I love how open this is. It's very like relaxing, so you can focus on work and it's not a boring backdrop.
Yeah.
Oh, and this light fixture here, we thought really created an intimate setting for an office.
It's not so like office-y, I feel like.
Exactly. And take a look at this new bathroom.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
I like it. It works. The tile.
Look at this. It's the full wall.
That's right.
I love it.
And this used to be a laundry room and
It was a laundry walkthrough.
Right where you're standing, there was the washer and the dryer. So now you have a float through, and guests can utilize it as well.